Action.
Eto na mga kapatid, welcome sa panibagong episode ng Rap Sessions at sobrang nakaka-proud kung sino ang kasama natin na guest dito ngayon sa Rap Sessions. DJ siya sa Wave 891 at DJ rin siya sa iba't ibang clubs dito sa Metro Manila. Chong, pakinggan natin, walang iba. Galing sa 7 Shots, ang nag-iisang Nathan J.
Guess who's back? Rap Sessions. Damn. It's your boy Nathan J. Check it. Now I'm gonna take this seriously right now. No movements. Let me think. You know how it is, right? Check it. Ladies and gentlemen, back once again. It's your party, Nathan J. How y'all been? I've been gone for a minute, but you know I'm still in it. Just hustling the scene, dog, stacking them digits. I'm doing this my way like Carlito. Collect chips the casino way like De Niro. I face you, ikaw kahit got the N1H well in this, the sickest Filipino. On the mic when I rap, I make sure it's a rap. You can get with this, or you can get with that. With that crap, definitely you get smacked. The next one in line, check out the stats. Mr. Marquez on the quest to be the best of the best. I detest whackness, no contest. So bob your head, follow me and feel this. You now listen to the sound of on the ground music. Boy party. Rap session exclusive, you know how it is, right? Check it out. Second verse. You're now vibing with the real McCoy. I'm here to build foundations, not to destroy. We made something that you can enjoy. I'm here to entertain y'all, not to annoy. We're hitting hard, ready to bring the noise. Don't need you here if you soft like tissue. I don't roll deep, but I got some boys. If you in my path, everybody in the place will shout. Move. Give the man some space. Let me grace this place. Lace you with ingredients that's good for your taste. Now that I got your attention, call me the Pied Piper. Follow me to this direction. That's some trick. Rhyme sharp like ice fix. Live flow so smooth like there's an oil slick. It's a party. Bring your shorty. If you she's a hassle, leave. Bawal dito ang maarte. Pare. Hoy. Pop, 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 pop. Hoy! Check it out. Rap Sessions, baby. I know you bobbing your head, cause I can see you. I know you bobbing your head, cause I can feel you. Hoy! 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 Party! Check it out now. It's your boy Nathan J. Rocking mics all day. You know how it is, right? Rap Sessions. My man Mike Loomba on the beat. What up, Talks? What up, Solid? UrbanPinosh.com. You know how it is, right? Wave 891. I'm always on the move, you know how it is. Keep it locked right here. Exclusive Rap Sessions with your boy Nathan J. Thanks for having me, P.O. Nathan J, Rap Sessions. Urban Pinosh. Secret Weapon on the track. My man Mike Loomba, man. LA. Check it out. Yo, now let me rock this freestyle session with my man Pio Balbuena. You know me, sometimes I kinda quella, but you know right now I need to be serious when I grab the microphone and get delirious. Microphone specialist on the flow. Nathan J, you know sometimes on the go. I can't stop, I won't stop. You know me, yo, I straight hip hop pin. You know me, I'm freestyling with my man P.O. Rap Session. Yo, now let me mention my name, N-A-T-H-A-N to the J. Rocking microphones all day. Won't you grab the microphone, my man P.O.? You know how it goes.
Ako'y nakaputi Siya nakakulay gray, napakalupit talagang bumanat ni Nathan J. Ganon talaga, ang utak ay parang clay. Kasi nga dikit-dikit at dito naglalayo-layo. Ito ay wala nang agwat. Dikit-dikit ang utak at buhol-buhol na parang alamat. Ganon talaga kalupit bumanat si Nathan J. Si Pio nagsama, wala ka nang iba pang kailangan pang sabihin. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay rumispeto at aminin na kung sino ba talaga ang mahusay. Pinapakita ko lamang po ang tunay, kaya nandito sa likod ang tunay. Ngayon ay malupit at napakakulay. Ganon talaga ang buhay, malumanay. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, ang mata mo'y biglang pupungay. Ngayon, ito ang panghuling dalawang bara. At ako'y parang nasa jeepney na papara. Nathan J, tulungan mo na ako. Pakitaan mo yung mga tao sa harap nito.
Sa harap nito o sa harap ninyo, Nathan J, yo, nasa entablado. Lagi nang ginagamit yun ang word. But listen to me cause you know I'm gonna serve any MC who wanna test me. Nathan J, sometimes a little crazy or loco. You know me on the flow. Nathan J, yo, no solo. Maybe now, but you know I represent before. 7 shots of wisdom hitting your system. Live and direct, straight from the nation of Philippines. You know me, Nathan J. I make them dividends, I make them pesos. I let go any flow cause you know I'm Ilko. I said the word again, but you know me, Nathan J, cause you know I am your homie who got more styles than you can imagine. Nathan J, I be grabbing. Yo, sometimes when I grab the microphone, I get crazy, it gets hassle. Nathan J, rocking my peoples from Crooks and Castles. Yo, my man Pio's rocking Hoy Party. Sometimes you going crazy on the floor, won't you grab the microphone and go? Oh,
ang mga pangarap namin ay hindi na natatapos. Malinis at maganda para bang sapatos ni Nathan J, na napakaangas, na parang angas na may tuka ng matalas. Ganun talaga at hindi nakakalas. Napakahigpit na parang tinali na sintas. Ito'y napipitas na para ding prutas. Pero di mo kayang sirain at di kayang mabutas. Kasi nga original. Alam mo na't hindi kami magiging critical. Kasi nga lahat ng banat ay tuloy-tuloy. Kahit na mahulog pa kami sa malalim na kumunoy. Ako ay batang lagi meron lang pangarap. Tinutuloy lahat lalo na sa pagrarap. Ako ay nasa harap nyo at pinapanood. At hindi lumulubog, lahat kayo ay lumuhod.
Lumuhod sa amin ngayon dahil kami ay parang ang inyong Diyos. Diyos ko po, nakikinig na kayo. Yo, ako'y gulong-gulo, Tagalog man o English, kayang bumanat. Ngayon ako'y nag-uulat, hindi ako si Gas Abelgas. Sabi nga ni Ali, yo, ng BB Clan. You know me, I'm the man, representing Urban Pinas, and I am hitting this jam from my Mike Lumba. From my man, Mike Lumba. I'm a barrier with my flows, freestyling all day, I suppose. You know where I come from, I'm from LPC, Las Piñas City, representing Southside. I'm keeping it live, freestyling all night. Can I give a shout out to the people giving love to Nate and Jay? I wanna say, what up to HTC, giving love on my phones, baby. Giving love to Soul Slam, giving kicks and hitting the jams. Who else? Davinger. One love. I will carry the microphone to the grave. Listen to me, Nathan J. I'm a king, not a slave. On this freestyle session, rock the microphone, cause you know I'm about to mention my man Harry J, Philip, Ryan, and Rona, Urban Pinas, Agnonia, Anonia, freestyle session, rap session. I'm out now.
Ganyan kami umubos ng beat, chong.